So y'all, I'm making the kids some oatmeal this morning. So I was like, let me record it. I need to grab all the stuff I need. I'll be back. So y'all, I'm back. So I'm making Folly and Savi some oatmeal this morning. I'm going to be using this oatmeal. I'm going to use the peaches, the blueberry, and the strawberry. I'm going to be using, I don't know why I got sugar. I don't need sugar. I'm going to be using creamer, water, of course, and I'm going to be using some butter. And let's get into it. So first I'm going to pour all 3 things of oatmeal inside the bowl. All 3 things. That looks like a little bit of oatmeal. I might need another pack. Hold on. So I'm actually adding an extra pack. I don't think those 3 are going to be enough. Next, I'm going to add my water. That's not enough water. I'm going to add some more. Next, I'm about to mix this oatmeal around. Next, I'm going to pop it in the microwave and I'm going to put it on 4. That obviously wasn't enough water because look at it. It looks so dry. So I'm going to add some more water to it, mix it around, and put it back in the microwave. So I then added water to it and got it super went the back to getting it loose. I'm about to pop it in the microwave for like 1 minute or 2. Back in the microwave and I'm putting it on 2. So I took the oatmeal out the microwave, so it's looking like I'm gonna add my butter. That's too much butter. Too much butter? Oh, too late. It's okay, it's 4 packs of oatmeal. So I'm gonna mix my butter in there. Next, I'm gonna add 1 spoon of sugar. Then I'm gonna add my creamer. I'm gonna mix it all together. So y'all, this is Savi oatmeal. I'm about to give it to her, but it is good. I can taste it. It's nice and good.
Yeah. Well, I will eat it my food. No, that was my bad. That was me. That was me, mommy.